Welcome to the PaintShop Pro video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create a picture tube. Now I'm going to use a selection in this, so I'm just going to quickly go over here to the selection tool and then use a circle over here using tool options. Just drag that from the centre. Now I'm going to fill that with a gradient. You don't have to fill it with a gradient, of course you can fill it with paint, do lots of other things, apply pictures, etc. Right, I'm just going to go to the gradient fill and apply a radial design there. So once you've actually done that, what you can do then is go to selections and promote selection to layer. Go over here to the layers and just quickly click there and delete. Remove it, and then I'm going to remove the selection. File and then export and picture tube. And obviously I'm just going to go with 111 there. Step size, keep that all the same. Just go with gold 1. Call it, give it a name. Click OK. Now go to the picture tube tool. Select that. Once you've done that, you can then apply the picture tube very quickly there. So just make certain I've actually chosen the right one. There's gold 1 there. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.